So there is not a lot that is clearly known about how and why people who are fully vaccinated are spreading the virus, even though we're seeing generally that it's Delta variant that is being spread from one to another. We have to remember that these vaccines are not perfect, right? These vaccines are much more effective than most vaccines. So for example, the flu vaccine, which is widely promulgated every year and required in our healthcare organization and many healthcare organizations, some years it's only 40 or 50% effective in reducing the spread of flu. However, we have learned through experience that even that kind of reduction in spread of the flu translates into many saved lives and many fewer hospitalizations for the flu. Similarly, we're expecting the same thing and are seeing the same thing with the COVID vaccines, that even though CDC doesn't fully understand how and why it's being spread yet, a lot more study going on, it is clear that those who are fully vaccinated and getting COVID and spreading it to others do overwhelmingly have a much less severe course of COVID. So it does appear that breakthrough cases are happening more in terms of some people who are fully vaccinated are getting it. Overwhelmingly, though, it is people who are unvaccinated or less than fully vaccinated. We have to keep in mind that some people are only getting one vaccine out of a 2-dose series and thinking they have adequate protection. And studies show that they are not. People really need to make sure they complete whatever the series may be in order to get the maximal protection. So then in those people who then get infected, who are fully vaccinated, it is generally thought that the majority of them are getting this Delta variant. And we need to remember that the vaccinations are fantastic at reducing the risk of severe illness, hospitalization, and death, but they aren't perfect at preventing breakthrough cases. So we are seeing that some people who have been fully vaccinated are spreading the virus to others who are fully vaccinated, but it is a much lower rate than among unvaccinated people.